Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add borders to your images and photos in Photopea. So let's get started. It is actually mind-blowingly simple, guys. All you need to do is here on Photopea, for example, let's say you have a photo or an image like that, is to click on that rectangle tool here on the left sidebar here and draw a rectangle starting from the, let's say, top left corner of your image going to the bottom right corner, just like that. Now, if we leave the setup just like this, we will be given a pitch black rectangle like that. So to change that, head over to this section here at the top where it says fill, click on that arrow down icon here and select that X or red cross icon here to get rid of that black rectangle. Here to the right where it says stroke, you want to again click on that arrow down icon to choose a color for your border. Let's go with pink, just to make a nice contrast to that image, just like that. And last but not least, guys, you may adjust, for example, your border's thickness by using a custom pixel here to the right. So let me go with a pretty thin but also visible border like this. And that's basically it. Now you can adjust the position of your borders by left clicking on its corners and edges so that it fits in the frame, just like that. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.